everyone, my name is Waisi. Today I'm going to present how the hardware circuit and how our smart meter hardware can be worked. Here we have first of all the Arduino code, and we have different functions in order to read from the sensor or calculate the information. And the information which is read by the sensor will be sent to the database inside the main server or of S-Power company each hour a day. And after running or uploading this code, we can open the serial monitor to see different information. This is the Arduino IP address, and we have here different information reads from the sensor. Now let's move to demo the hardware circuits. We have here the hardware circuits. First of all, we have the Arduino and the Arduino shield in order to connect the Arduino to the internet. And from this side we have the LCD, which is display the sensor read information and display those information as ampere. Here first of all we have it as 0. The LCD connected to this chip called the 12C module, and the main purpose of this chip is going to connect the LCD directly to the analog inputs of the Arduino. And here we have this cable plugged into a real power, and this cable is going to feed the relay and give the relay a real power, and we use the relay in order to control real devices like hair dryer or anything else. The relay or the socket switched here connected to a relay in order to control that socket switched from the application. Here we have the non-invasive current sensor. First of all, you have to make sure that you put the sensor clips around the main cable of around the main cable of the electricity. And this sensor worked as follows. Is going to measure the current flow using the magnetic field, then send those signals to the Arduino through analog inputs. By using some mathematics calculation, we will read those information and display to the user as ampere, watt or kilowatt. Here we have the sensor map. The sensor connected to this polo input, and we have some capacitor resistors here inside the map. So that's it about the hardware circuit. Now I'm going to control real devices. We have this Android application. We use this Android application in order to control our smart meter. First of all, you can add any devices or set up your system by adding the device name. Suppose I need to add the fridge, then select the pin number, suppose 6, 7, anything, 8 or 7, then click on assign, so the data will be inserted successfully. Let's insert our socket switch. I will call it as switch, then click assign, then will be inserted here. Now if we need to control our circuit, we have two options. We can control it manually or using voice. So I will start to control our device manually. Here we have the device is off now. As you see here, from the lid of the socket is off and the hair dryer is off. Now after switch on,
the switch. Now the hair dryer is switched on, and now after switched off, then the sensor will be 0. We have another option to control the electrical device using voice. You can say the device name plus on or off. Switch on. Switch off. So after would be as you see here. Switch on.
Your device switched on.
Switch off.
Switched off.
So here we have how to control the real device, the hair dryer, and you saw here how this information is changed. When the hair dryer is on, is read 3 ampere, when it's off is 0, and that's it about the hardware system. Thank you very much.